People sometimes wonder, why is my power still out if I'm on an underground system? Underground lines are awesome, but they're connected to substations and overhead lines that bring power to your area. If those get damaged, your underground system can't deliver power to you. And if your area has more severe damage or serves fewer customers, it might take a little longer to complete the repairs that affect your service. That's because we first repair lines that serve critical infrastructure, and then the lines that serve the most people and are easiest to fix, so more customers get power back faster. But we won't forget anyone, and every customer's power is equally important to us. For more storm information and safety tips, visit tampaelectric.com/stormcenter. Stay safe.